Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time, you are welcome. So on this episode we will be learning how to sew this beautiful shirt. So this cutting tutorial is in my channel. Kindly go and watch it.
So here, first thing I'm going to do is to go to my sewing machine and open the back. So this is the front. So here I'm going to place the front and back together. Front, right side facing right side. So here I'm going to sew it here, and I'm going to sew it here as well. So I'll go and sew it to my sewing machine and I'll come back and show you how it is. So I've went ahead to give it a sewing, which is I'm doing an English sewing here. So here, so I've weaved here and here as well. So I'll go to my sewing machine and attach the sleeve. I'm going to attach the sleeve. So I'll attach the sleeve here and attach the other one to the other side, and I'll come back and show you. So guys, I went ahead to trim to attach my sleeve. You can see, went ahead to attach the sleeve, and I did the same thing to the other side. So next thing I'm going to do is to attach the band. Remember, it has a gather effect, so don't forget that. So I'll just put the band on the both side, and I'll join it here, and I'll join the side like this, and I'll come back and I'll show you. Guys, I went ahead to attach the band, and also I've joined the sleeve length. Same thing with the other side. I've joined the band and I've attached the sleeve length. So next thing I'm going to do right here is to put my button hole measurements inside. So remember we added 3 inches here, so I'm going to fold it like this, half inch in. Then remember we notched here, so I'm folding it like this, and I'm going to give it a stitch all the way down. So I'll do that, and I'll do that to the other side, and I'll come back and show you. So guys, I have went ahead to join the button allowance, which you can see right here. So you can see how neat it is. I've not done the ironing work, but you can see our shirt is taking shape right now. So, and our sleeve has been added. So I'll just trim off these excesses here. I'll trim it off. Then on the hemming part, remember we added half inch for seam allowance. So I'll weave it, then I'll fold it in by half an inch. Then I'll come back and show you. So guys, I went ahead to join the down part by the half inch. You can see how neat it is all the way to the other side. So next thing I'm going to do is to put my collar. So I'll just fold the neck like this and get the middle point, and I'll notch it. So this is my collar. So I'm going to attach the collar now. So I've notched the middle point of my collar. So I'm just going to fold it front side facing each other. And I'm going to hold this place with a pin. And I'm going to hold the other side with a pin, and I'll go to my sewing machine and I'll sew it all around. I'm not holding here, I'm holding just one side of the collar. So I'll just fold it front side front side facing each other, and I'll sew it all around to the other side, and I'll come back and show you.
So I'm done with the first layer of my collar. Next is to join the other side with half an inch. And that is basically all for your shirts, for your collar. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, please kindly subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Oh yeah, bye bye.